welcome to Kitchen Secrets with Surbhi and a very happy Valentine's to all my viewers. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to make these strawberries dipped in chocolate, which are a must-have for Valentine's. I'll also show you how you can add a wow factor to these coated strawberries by embellishing them with decorations. And to top it all, I will serve it in a rustic handmade chocolate tray that I will also show you how to make. Let me start by introducing the ingredients for today's recipe. For coating the strawberries, I have here 3/4 to 1 cup of good quality dark chocolate. And a good quality dark chocolate is a must because that's going to define the taste of the strawberries. I have here half a cup of white chocolate. I have picked 15 to 20 strawberries and I've made sure to choose the ones that are firm yet ripe. It is important that these strawberries are thoroughly cleaned and dried to make sure that the chocolate coats and sets well. Start by melting both the dark and the white chocolate. I have a double boiler that's ready and I'm going to start melting first the dark chocolate. I'll also keep stirring just to make sure that the heat is evenly distributed. You can now see that all the calots are melting and we are getting close to the consistency that we want, which is smooth and even with no lumps. The dark chocolate is done and I'll start with the white chocolate, and in the meantime I'll keep this dark chocolate on a kitchen towel so that the chocolate remains in melted state. We're almost there with the white chocolate too. So you can use the white chocolate as is. Since it's Valentine, we want to make sure we give it a more colorful vibe. So I'm using red powder food color. So for the entire bowl, I'm just going to start by using this much with a mix. So as you can see, I used a touch of the color, but I still haven't gotten the pink that I want. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Chocolate doesn't take very well to gel colors, so when you're choosing the colors, just make sure either it's powder or it's an oil-based color. You see, start with less and keep adding to get the right color that you want. This is the shade of pink I'm after, but you can always increase the red to increase the intensity of the pink that you want. As you can see, the chocolate bowls are ready and I've kept them on kitchen towels just so that the heat remains in the bowl and the chocolate sort of remains liquid for a longer period of time. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका chocolate while working is getting thicker and is solidifying, then you can microwave it at increments of 10 seconds. I have the silpat ready. In case you don't have a silpat, then parchment works equally fine. So you want to hold the strawberry by the stem. Just tilt the bowl with all the chocolate on one side, dip the strawberry and give it a tilt so that it covers most of the part on the strawberry. Shake the excess chocolate off. You can even remove some excess from the bottom and place on the mat. That's how simple it is. I'm done with coating the dark chocolate strawberries and I'll now be starting with the pink ones. So again, same method, just dip it in gently, remove the excess, gently tap it on the back and place it on the mat. We let the chocolate cool down and form a firm coating on all the strawberries, and the main way to check is when you touch the strawberries, your finger should come off clean. The chocolate is now completely set. As you may see, when I touch them, there's nothing on my finger. They're hard to touch. So now the next step is to start peeling them from the mat or your parchment paper. They lift off. You can start to remove them gently. Sometimes you might get a little excess on your excess chocolate on the strawberry, and what you can do is, with the help of a knife, just shave it off. The strawberries are ready to be served and eaten as they are. So if you want them a little bit more embellished, I'm going to show you a few techniques as to how you can decorate them and add more wow to them. I've made 2 piping bags. For those of you who don't know how to pipe, can check out my tutorial on how to make piping bags, and or you can even use a spoon to drizzle the chocolates onto these strawberries. Once the chocolate is all set on the strawberries, the next step is to start with the decoration. These are some of the embellishments I'm using today to decorate the strawberries, but you can be as adventurous and creative as you want to be. I'm using some edible glitter in different colors. These are some dragées, some heart-shaped confetti, and some gold-colored sugar. I've also here some cutters and some colored sugar paste and a rolling pin. So I'm going to show you just a small flower and a little heart to go on the strawberries. To rewarm the chocolate on the double boiler back to this state so that I can start to pipe and coat the strawberry. I'm going to first take the pink chocolate in the piping bag. Don't fill it up. Just probably like 1/4. Then I'm going to cut the tip depending on how thick or thin you want. I'm going to color these two pink and this set pink. So literally that's why I've put the strawberries together, that I'm not going to pipe one at a time, but I'm just going to drizzle the strawberries in one go. And just go like that. This is done. I'm going to start with the brown ones. Look how pretty they look. The dark chocolate in the piping bag and just drizzle the chocolate, and you can achieve this by using a teaspoon. Putting some hearts on there. You can take any kind of sprinkler that you have. Add some golden sugar. I'm going to sprinkle on there. These white little balls. You can actually use any sprinkler. And I have some glitter and also these strawberries. Some silver glitter. And a few heart sprinklers. Quickly stick them before the chocolate dries. I'm just going to add some gold glitter to this one. For those of you who work with sugar, I've taken a small piece of lightly colored sugar paste. Take a bit of the chocolate, stick this flower here, another drop inside. There you go. I have some dark color sugar paste that I'm going to roll. I've cut a little heart, and all I'm going to do is just wet it gently with water, cover it in red glitter. This is how it'll look. Take some chocolate and stick it on the strawberry like this. How pretty it looks, yeah? So this is a bowl that I've made out of chocolate, which is completely edible, and I'll use this to serve the strawberries. Just to give it a more rustic feel, I've brushed it with gold, and I'm going to now start placing the strawberries in there. To make the edible chocolate tray, यहाँ मैंने लिया है 3/4 cup to 1 cup of compound chocolate, bubble wrap, and a tray that I'll be using. Just make sure ये tray जो है, it's a little flatter and not roundish in shape, because then it'll be difficult for you to demold it. So next step would be to take this bubble wrap side of the paper and just fold it inside the tray like this. And turn the tray upside down. Just make sure it's all pulled in. Next step, we need to warm up and melt this chocolate like we did on the double boiler with the other chocolates. Once the chocolate is melted, all you need to do is, using your spatula, just go over the sheet and spread the chocolate, and making sure that the base is coated very well, because you want a very solid base. make sure the sides are also coated thoroughly, because you don't want very thin sides that would crack and break by the weight. So double coat them. Just make sure you go over any points that you've missed again. Depending on what time of the year it is, you can either leave it outside to dry, or you can place it in the refrigerator until it solidifies. As you can see, the chocolate is now set. I'm gonna turn it upside down. Just try to pinch the corners. There you have it, the rustic little tray. We're going to give it a more natural finish. So I have some gold powder that I'm brushing along the edges to give it the rustic feel. So here we are, ready with our chocolate coated strawberry treats that are simple, easy, yet perfect for your Valentine's Day celebrations. These are loved by children of all age groups as they are by adults. Why don't you give them a try and share with us how you get on? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again next time, take care.